Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, October the 4th, 2023, because today it's War Day, number 588. 588 days ago, the war has been changed. No, the war started in Ukraine and the world has been changed. Yes, since the war, everything has been changed in the war. With the war, yes. I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. Yeah. It's time for the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one will be number 7210. 7210. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9 by 11 jigsaw Sudoku. Alright. For should be an easy one. So I think I need, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, I think it's the easy one, a 1 star or a 2 stars. 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, let me say 15 to 20 minutes. A 2 stars puzzle, I think. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or the boxes, single boxes. I see 3 boxes. Here one, there one, and here one. 3 boxes. Single box is always a 1. Alright. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me see. No dual boxes here. I see here 2 triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 is here already given, so those 2 boxes should be 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. We already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. Yeah. Okay. Then, the other 3 boxes, the triple box, I cannot fill those yet. I need more information, insufficient information right now. But with the inside box is already filled in. Near the middle box, the 4, okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember. Yeah, remember. Let me draw that T shape here. This T shape is not draw very good. T shape. When you see the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the T shape. Well. Yeah, another T shape rotated. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Here. And draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Here. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The Z construction. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the Z construction. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah, we have an L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes. Figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Now, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. But also those two boxes can be 3. So one box left with a 3 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This connected with that box should be also a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then, well, two numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, so 2 and 5. Hey, also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be, well, I cannot place the 1 there because this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. We have a 4 here. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution place the 2 there because this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. So not the solution place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 4. 2 and 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, okay. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Alright. Let me blow my nose. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Yeah, we have a 1 here. Okay, and now this box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 here. The only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Is connected with that box. We have 2 and 3, but we already have we have a double 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes surround a 3 can be a 3. That box can be a not a 3. These 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. These two boxes can be a 5. We have a 5 here. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 here. If I place 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 5 should be here. Oh, wait. Yeah. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Wait. Then... I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from us 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. This box, I marked those two boxes earlier, the 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Alright. Then, these two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. From was 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in this cross area from those 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from those 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then, I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 to 5, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Ah, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay, 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. This box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be in and 1 goes there. This box can be, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Well, told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes. Definitely a 2 stars. Oh, 2 and a 4. Overlooked. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Overlooked. Overlooked. Still 18 minutes. Okay. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.